a four-part counterpoint vocal thing in it. I think you can do it. It's not literal counterpoint. It's contrapuntal in nature. And yeah, I'll show you the parts. Basically, you learn your part. Again, you just stick with it. Keep repeating it. Don't let your neighbor fuck you up. Just keep doing it. As we stack more on top of them, it may sound you know, busier and harder to hang on, but just stick with it. And remember, this is it's just a rehearsal. Give it the lowest. Well, it doesn't have to be the lowest. It's not that damn low.